Drowning in calendar chaos, let's cut through the noise and find the productivity oasis that fits your style. Morgen vs Sunsama. First up, Morgen. Notice the sleek design. The app aims to be your single source of truth, seamlessly syncing with Google Calendar, Outlook, and more. See how easily you can view all your appointments in one unified view. Now, take a look at Sunsama. Unlike Morgen, Sunsama heavily focuses on daily planning. It guides you through setting daily intentions, scheduling tasks, and reflecting on your day's accomplishments. Feature-wise, Morgen shines with its advanced scheduling links and ability to book meetings directly from your calendar. Sunsama excels in its task integration. You can pull in tasks from apps like Asana, Trello, and To-Dos to plan your day. Let's talk money. Morgen offers a generous free plan and more affordable paid tiers. Sunsama operates on a single premium subscription model. Consider your budget and how deeply you need those premium features. The choice is yours. Morgen is great for people who want a single calendar view. Sunsama is perfect for people who want daily planning and task management. Evaluate your needs, give them a try, and reclaim your time.